Hello everyone, welcome to Simsad Aesthetics. I am a professional esthetician and cosmetologist. Is your scalp itchy, flaky, or just feeling off? What if the solution has been sitting on your windowsill this whole time? Forget everything you think you know about aloe vera, because today I am diving deep into how this one plant can completely transform your scalp health from the roots up. Its benefits, methods to use and much more. So subscribe my channel and watch complete video to get best advice. Section 1. Why to choose aloe vera? The science behind the soothe. Aloe vera isn't just folklore, it's a proven biochemical powerhouse for scalp health, thanks to its unique composition. First of all, it's a deep moisturizer. Its humectant properties, from polysaccharides and glycoproteins, provide intense hydration, without a greasy residue, quenching a dry scalp. It's also an anti-inflammatory powerhouse, which actively calms redness, irritation, and itchiness linked to dandruff and psoriasis. It is also antibacterial and antifungal. It fights common scalp pathogens, for a cleaner scalp environment. Moreover, it is nutrient-rich, packed with proteolytic enzymes that heal dead skin, plus vitamins A, C, E, B12, and minerals like zinc. It nourishes hair follicles to support healthy growth. And the last thing is that, it is a natural conditioner. It smooths the hair's cuticle for shine and reduces frizz, while its mild action helps maintain the scalp's ideal pH balance to prevent issues. Section 2. People also ask, is aloe vera good for hair growth? This is one of the most searched questions online. The answer is, yes, but indirectly. Aloe vera does not contain a magic bullet that directly stimulates hair follicles to grow faster. Instead, it creates the optimal environment for hair to grow to its fullest potential. Think of your scalp as soil. You can't force a plant to grow in poor, rocky, or infected soil. Aloe vera enriches that soil. By unclogging hair follicles of sebum and dead skin cell buildup, it allows new hair to surface more easily. By reducing scalp inflammation and fighting fungal infections, it stops the underlying causes of hair fall. By providing deep nourishment and improving blood circulation to the scalp, it ensures that the follicles are healthy and well oxygenated. When you remove the barriers to growth, your hair can thrive. So, while it's not a direct growth serum, it is a fundamental treatment for scalp health that results in stronger, healthier, and potentially fuller hair. Section 3. The golden rule: choosing the right aloe vera, fresh versus store-bought. Your results depend entirely on the quality of aloe vera you choose. A fresh leaf offers maximum potency and purity. Select a large, thick, and firm leaf from a mature plant. Always choose gels labeled as 99 to 100% pure organic aloe vera. The ingredient list should be short, with Aloe barbadensis leaf juice as the first item. Avoid any products containing artificial colors, drying alcohols, parabens, or sulfates. Be wary of unnecessary stabilizers and preservatives that can dilute potency and cause irritation. Section 4. People also ask, can I leave aloe vera on my scalp overnight? Yes, you absolutely can, and for many concerns, it's highly beneficial. Leaving it on overnight allows for deep, uninterrupted absorption and healing. However, there are two important considerations. First is, if you have a sensitive scalp, test a patch on your inner arm first. For your first overnight treatment, you might want to start with just a few hours. Secondly, to avoid a messy pillow, wear a soft, cotton shower cap or wrap your head in a silk or satin scarf. This also helps to create a slightly occlusive environment, enhancing penetration. It is generally very safe and can be a powerful intensive treatment for severe dryness, itching, or inflammation. Section 5. Your scalp treatment recipes. Number 1. The Pure Aloe Vera Scalp Mask for general health and hydration. This all-purpose treatment is your foundation for scalp health. For this baseline mask, you will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh or 100% pure store-bought aloe vera gel. To apply, begin by parting your hair into sections. Using an applicator brush or your fingertips, apply the gel directly onto your scalp. Massage it gently in circular motions for 5 minutes to stimulate blood flow. Leave the mask on for at least 30 to 45 minutes, or for a deeper treatment, leave it overnight. Finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool water. Number 2. The Itchy, Dandruff-Fighting Aloe Balm. Combat dandruff from multiple angles with this powerful treatment. Combine 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 5 to 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. The aloe vera soothes scalp inflammation, while the lemon juice helps loosen flakes and balance pH with its natural acidity. The tea tree oil acts as a potent antifungal to target the Malassezia fungus directly linked to dandruff. After mixing the ingredients thoroughly, apply the mixture directly to your scalp, paying special attention to flaky areas. Leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing. Since lemon juice can be drying, always follow with a mild conditioner applied only to the lengths of your hair. For best results, use this treatment once or twice a week. Number 3. The Aloe Vera and Onion Juice Growth Tonic. To address hair thinning by nourishing the follicles, create a growth tonic using 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of onion juice, extracted by blending and straining an onion, and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seed powder that has been soaked in water to form a paste. The science behind this combination is that the sulfur in onion juice boosts collagen production and improves blood circulation to the follicles, while the protein and lecithin in fenugreek strengthen the hair shaft itself. To use, blend all the ingredients into a consistent mixture, apply it to your scalp, and massage it in deeply. Leave the treatment on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. The distinctive onion smell will dissipate after you shampoo your hair. For best results, use this tonic once per week. Number 4. The Aloe and Yogurt Cool Down for Sunburned Scalp. To soothe a sunburned scalp, create a cooling mask by mixing 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 2 tablespoons of plain, unsweetened yogurt. The science behind this remedy is that the yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently soothes and exfoliates, while its cool temperature combined with aloe's anti-inflammatory properties provides instant relief from the burning sensation. After mixing the ingredients into a smooth paste, apply it generously to the affected areas of your scalp, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly with cool water for immediate, calming relief. Section 6. How often should I use aloe vera on my scalp? The ideal frequency depends on your scalp's specific needs. For therapeutic treatment of issues like dandruff or itching, begin with applications 2 to 3 times per week until symptoms improve. For ongoing maintenance and general scalp health, a once-a-week treatment is highly effective. When using intensive overnight treatments, once a week or every other week is sufficient. Always listen to your scalp's response. If you experience any sensitivity, reduce how often you apply it. Section 7. Integrating aloe vera into your daily routine. Beyond intensive treatments, aloe vera can be seamlessly incorporated into your regular hair care. Use it as a pre-shampoo treatment by applying a thin layer 20 minutes before washing to shield your scalp from drying agents. As a leave-in conditioner, a pea-sized amount emulsified with water and run through damp hair will define curls, fight frizz, and add shine without buildup. For a quick refresh between washes, create a scalp tonic by mixing aloe vera gel with water in a spray bottle and spritzing it onto your roots for instant hydration. Always prioritize safety, as natural ingredients are not risk-free for everyone. The non-negotiable first step is a patch test. Apply a small amount of the aloe mixture to a discrete area like your inner elbow and wait 24 hours for any signs of redness or irritation. Those with a known latex allergy, or allergies to plants like onions and garlic, should be cautious as they may also react to aloe vera. Finally, remember that aloe vera is a complementary therapy, not a substitute for professional medical advice. Consult a dermatologist for any severe, persistent, or undiagnosed scalp condition. It's all for today now, the most complete guide to using aloe vera for your scalp health. So, grab an aloe leaf or a trusted bottle of pure gel, and give your scalp the treat it has been craving. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more deeply researched beauty science.